Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. Our today video is a very interesting. As you can see, I have a couple of face fitted face mask in front of us, and they are breathable and they are very comfy and they are still in so much fashion. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a template of these face masks, and I'm gonna teach you how you can use the same template. You can increase and decrease different sizes with that. So let's go ahead and start it. For that you need your any plain paper to draw your pattern into that. But if you're doing this project over fabric, you have to fold fabric into fold, and then you can place your pattern or template and then cut. But I'm gonna teach you on a single page first. So the first of all, you have to draw a line 5 inches wide. Line in the center. Okay. Then we're gonna take center line from bottom to top. That's also should be 5 inches long. And from 1.5 distance, we're gonna make dots. One over here and the same distance here. All right, and then we're gonna take my left side corner and I'm gonna take a 3.5 inches a straight line from left side. We're supposed to be 8.5 centimeter. This is supposed to be 12.5 centimeter. And the right side line, we will take a 4 inches, which should be 10 centimeter. Four inches, 10 centimeter. Okay, so the next part is, which is very interesting. So you see we had a make dot in between our center line, so that's a 1.5 inches inch, and this is supposed to be 1 inch here. Okay, now the next part is we're gonna connect those dots to each other. Okay, so from left side to bottom to top here, and from right side bottom to top. But this one we're gonna take from curvy way to the bottom. Okay, and then take any rolling template. I'm using here a piece of plate topper. We're just gonna attach this here. Use my black marker so you can see easily. And the same way on other side as well. Dot to dot. Dots are very important. All right, so that's how you're gonna prepare your template first. And if you are adding elastic, you need elastic according to your fittings, like 14 centimeter or 6 to 7 inches long. I use those adjustable loops, so I can just use them, and they're so easy to adjust. Now, second thing, we're just gonna cut this template, and then I will back, and then I will show you how to decrease or increase the size, so stay tuned. So this one is a cutted template, so when you are drawing this over your fabric, there will be your seams. So that means you have to cut 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch extra for seam alone. It's depending, you like to take in 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. So I hope that will make some sense. Okay, so if you wanna increase the size of your template, you just have to increase 1/2 inch from your template. All right, so we can do quicker this by using 1/2 inch outside. Let me take other pen, sorry. 1/2 inch outside, 1/2 inch inside, and keep this line in lines of your template, and keep repeating the process. And this is the quicker way you can do. So the total is 1 full inch. Okay, so the center line is your 1/2 inch, and the other center is 1/2 inch. Okay, I know it's looking a little rough, but when we will connect the dots, that will make some sense to you. All right, as you can see, we have prepared the center dots and the upper dots for large size, and the center dots are for small size. So we just have to connected them together. All right, so that will be our large size, and the same way we will connect the center dots as well. And that will be small. And that's it. You see how easily we have prepared 3 different sizes of template for our face mask. And I told you, so this is a prepare the pattern. So if you are cutting this, you have to cut 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch extras, so you can take a seam allowance. So I hope you get inspired by this video. And also, when you're cutting on an actual fabric, you have to fold it. Okay, fold your fabric and place into, you know, the opening side for the loop side and the other side here. And if you have gonna use a different kind of fabrics, you can make each one different, you know, the petal, and then just to sew them together. So I hope you get inspired by our today video. Feel free to give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. Please don't forget to share with your family and friends so I can hit more subscribers. God bless you all. Keep watching Cyrus Creations. Love you all and have a blessed, safe day. Bye bye.